Good morning, students. Class 9 General Science. This is for your revision. Chapter 5. Now we discuss about the nucleus of the cell. The nucleus is found in the center of the cell. You are seeing here image that inside the nucleus a very small spherical shape you are looking in blue color in the center. So, the nucleus has a double layered covering, nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane allows the transfer of material from inside to outside. The nucleus contains chromosomes which are rod-shaped structure. Chromosomes contain DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Chromosomes are composed of DNA and protein. So, what are chromosomes composed of? Chromosomes are composed of DNA and protein. Functional segments of DNA are called genes. Chromosome is present in the form of chromatin, means in chromosomes chromatins are found and it looks thread-like structure. The nucleus has a central role in the cell division. So what is the role of nucleus? The nucleus has a central role in the cell division. Now we discuss about prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So bacterial cells are prokaryotes. Those organisms which cell, you are here seeing image of bacterial cell. Those organisms which cells like a nuclear membrane are called prokaryotes, example bacteria. And eukaryotes, organism with cells having a nuclear membrane is called eukaryotes. For example, all multicellular organisms. So these are the examples of eukaryotes. Again we discuss cytoplasm. So what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm, you are seeing here image that in this nucleus so many organelles are floating inside it and outside the nucleus. So the cytoplasm is the fluid contained between nuclear membrane and plasma membrane. It contains many specialized cell organelles. So many cell organelles float inside it. Each organelles perform specific functions for the cell. And cell organelles, endoplasmic reticulum, this is the different or cell organelles. What are the different cell organelles? Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, mitochondria, plastids, vacuoles, all these are the various cell organelles inside the cell. Now we know about endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. We are here seeing some structures, a smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. You are looking here, dot structure, rough endoplasmic, and yellow color looking a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum, the endoplasmic reticulum is a large network of membrane, bound tubes and sheet. This structure is similar to plasma membrane. It is of two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulums, ribosomes are attached with endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes manufacture protein. So Since ribosomes are attached with the endoplasmic reticulum, becomes a rough endoplasmic reticulum. A smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the manufacture of fats or lipids. A smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the manufacture of fats or lipids. Now next we know about biogenesis. What is biogenesis? Proteins and lipids help in building the cell membrane. This process is called biogenesis. What is biogenesis? Proteins and lipids help in building the cell membrane. This process is called biogenesis. Now we know about cytoplasm. Here I have told you that the jelly-like structure fluid, this one fluid is found inside the cell is called cytoplasm. As blue sky color you are seeing this one cytoplasm. These are the different cell organelles. Here nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, ribosome, lysosome, centrosome and mitochondria. All these are cell organelles. These are float inside the cytoplasm of the cell. Now next we know this one. What is this one? Here endoplasmic, smooth endoplasmic and rough endoplasmic reticulum. So this one just I have explained for your help. This diagram I am showing you. Now Golgi apparatus C. This Golgi apparatus is discovered by Camillo Golgi. Who discovered Golgi apparatus? Golgi apparatus is discovered by Camillo Golgi. Golgi apparatus consists of a system of flattened bags parallel to each other. Here we are seeing that flattened bags are looking and these are arranged in parallel ways, one above other. So these are standing in a stack. So Golgi apparatus consists of a system of flattened bags parallel to each other in stacks called cistern. They are connected with endoplasmic reticulum. Now we discuss about the functions of the Golgi apparatus. So what is the functions of Golgi apparatus? It helps in the storage and packaging of products in bags-like structure. Again, you see, it helps in the storage and packaging of products in bags-like structure. And the second, it forms complex sugar from simple sugar. And it helps in the formation of lysosome. So once again, it helps in the storage and packaging of products in bags-like structure. It forms complex sugar from simple sugar. It helps in the formation of lysosome. So this much today. Thank you for watching the video.